Today we're diving deep into a topic that's intrigued and baffled many of us: how to approach girls. But before we get started, if you're looking for some magic formula or secret trick that guarantees success every time, I'm sorry to disappoint you, because as you know, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. However, I can certainly share some insights and approaches that I've found incredibly effective. Let's get to it. First and foremost, let's talk about confidence. Confidence is like a magnet. It draws people towards you. You've got to believe in yourself and your worth before anyone else will. I often say, confidence isn't about knowing you're going to succeed. It's about being okay with the possibility of failure. When you approach a girl, be yourself and own it. Confidence is your golden ticket. 2. Make eye contact. Eye contact is another vital aspect. When you see someone you're interested in, make eye contact and hold it for a few seconds. It's like saying, hey, I see you and I'm genuinely interested. But remember, it's not a staring contest, just a warm, inviting gaze. 3. The icebreaker. Now here's where most people get stuck, the icebreaker. The key is to be genuine and friendly. Don't overthink it. A simple, hi, my name is Mark, how's your day going, can go a long way. The goal is to create an opening for a conversation, not deliver a flawless pickup line. 4. Listen actively. Once you've broken the ice, listen actively. Girls love to talk about themselves, and showing a genuine interest in what they have to say is a fantastic way to connect. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share more about themselves. Be engaged and present in the moment. 5. Be vulnerable. Vulnerability is your secret weapon. Share a little about yourself too, your fears, your passions, your dreams. It's a way of saying, I trust you enough to let you see the real me. Vulnerability is incredibly attractive because it creates a sense of connection and authenticity. 6. Respect boundaries. Respect is non-negotiable. If she's not interested, that's perfectly fine. Don't push or persist. It's essential to be polite and gracefully back off. Not every encounter will result in a phone number or a date, and that's okay. It's a numbers game, and the right person is out there. 7. Smile. A simple smile can do wonders. It's inviting and contagious. It communicates that you're approachable and friendly, so don't forget to flash those pearly whites. 8. Don't fear rejection. Finally, don't fear rejection. In fact, embrace it. Rejection is a natural part of life, and it's not a reflection of your worth as a person. Remember, the more you put yourself out there, the more chances you have to meet someone incredible. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. A few tips on how to approach girls that have worked for me and countless others. But remember, the most important advice I can give you is to be authentic, respectful, and genuine. There's no magic formula, but these principles will certainly improve your chances and make the journey more enjoyable. Also, download the free approach blueprint to learn how to meet and attract women anywhere. Approaching someone you're interested in can be intimidating, but it's also an opportunity to connect with another human being. So, go out there, be your awesome self, and remember that life is too short to be afraid of taking chances. Embrace vulnerability, enjoy the process, and let the rest fall into place. And as always, stay true to your values and live life with intention. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like and subscribe for more content that'll help you live a more meaningful and honest life. Cheers.